97 days until GCSE Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Make Q the subject of the formula P equals the square root of 3Q plus 2 over Q minus 1. First step for this one, since everything on the right hand side is square rooted, let's do the opposite, which is to square. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. On the left hand side, we now have P squared, and this will be equal to, the square root and the square will cancel out, just leaving us with the fraction 3Q plus 2 over Q minus 1. Next step, let's get rid of our denominator by multiplying by the denominator. So in this case, Q minus 1. On the left hand side, we have P squared, and we're multiplying this by Q minus 1. On the right hand side, if we multiply by Q minus 1, this will cancel out with our denominator, leaving us with 3Q plus 2. We can then expand this bracket, so P squared times Q will be P squared Q, and P squared times minus 1 will be minus P squared, and the right hand side will stay the same. Since Q is what I want to make the subject, I'm going to bring any terms with Q to one side and everything else can go to the other side. On the left hand side, this term minus P squared does not have a Q in it, so we can cancel this out by adding P squared. We'll do this to both sides. On the left hand side, minus P squared and plus P squared will cancel out, leaving us with P squared Q is equal to, on the right hand side, we have 3Q plus 2 plus P squared. Then to bring this term, 3Q, to the other side, we'll need to cancel it out from the right hand side by doing the opposite, which is minus 3Q. Whatever we do to one side, we'll do to the other. On the left hand side, we now have P squared Q, subtract 3Q, and this is equal to, on the right hand side, 3Q and minus 3Q will cancel out, leaving us with 2 plus P squared. Now that both of these terms on the left hand side have a factor of Q, we can factorise Q out of these terms. When we take the factor of Q out of P squared Q, we're just left with P squared. And when we take the factor of Q out of minus 3Q, we're left with minus 3. Again, the right hand side will stay the same. Since Q is multiplied by this bracket P squared minus 3, to get rid of this bracket, we'll do the opposite, which is to divide by that bracket. When we divide both sides by this bracket P squared minus 3, on the left hand side it will cancel out, leaving us with Q. And on the right hand side we'll have 2 plus P squared, and this will all be divided by P squared minus 3. So this will be our final answer.